Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we have got a Porsche showcase, so smash a big thumbs up, but most importantly don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now let's take a look at this pretty cool car. It's the Porsche 917 LH. Very sleek looking race car there, very nice. Next up, it's this beautiful blue Porsche 934.5. Look at those white wheel rims. Cool. Not a very good track star car with that big scoop on the front there, but still a pretty cool looking car. Another blue one, it's the Porsche Cayman S. Very nice details on the headlights there. Pretty cool. Next up, it's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Tanner Fox edition. Very nice in black. Next, let's check out this Porsche Panamera police car. Pretty cool. Now it's Magnus Walker's Porsche 911, 1971 911. It's one of two. That second Magnus Walker 911 has a blue base on this one, different decals, very nice contrast. The Porsche 356A Outlaw, very cool. Look at that fast back, nice. Another Porsche 911 GT3 RS in that metallic purple, pretty cool. Nice color on that car. We've got a black 934.5 blue rim wheels, as well as blue Porsche decals on the side of that very nice black. The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo in bright red. Another Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Not as big a wing on the back of this one. Take a look at this Porsche 918 Spider in red. Porsche Panamera E Turbo Sports Hybrid, very long named car. Very cool though. It's actually a very long wheelbase as well. A nice blue Porsche Carrera GT. Black 96 Porsche Carrera. A yellow 96 Porsche Carrera. Another Sports E Hybrid there in that grey colour. Beautiful red 956A Outlaw. The blue 918 Porsche Spider. A gold 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. We've also got the Porsche 918 Spider Super Treasure Hunt. Very nice colour on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now we have a special mention, still carded Porsche 911 GT3 RS from the Factory Fresh series, that Super Treasure Hunt. You can see we've got the main line up there, but the Super Treasure Hunt here is still on card. Very nice car. The rims are perfectly shiny. Beautiful. And bonus round, Porsche here from the Forza Horizon 4 series. Do you know what Porsche that is? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you've smashed a like on this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.